If you ever feel like there's just too much information in one document or end up with lots of information spread across multiple notes, then subpages and cards in Craft can help. You can create pages within documents to quickly organize longer pages into easy-to-navigate subdocuments that are easier to digest and a joy to read. You can add a new page to any doc by going to the Insert menu and dragging a page into your document. Give the page a name, click on it, and start writing content like you would with any other doc. You can also use the / key to bring up the menu and type Page. Quickly turn content you've already written into a page by selecting the blocks, and then in the Actions menu on the side, click Group. You can do the same on iOS or iPadOS by selecting the blocks and hitting Group at the bottom of the screen. Cards work in the same way as pages, but have more styling options. You can change the color, shape, and size to structure your doc, highlight what's inside, or just make your doc look beautiful. Just like pages, you can add a card from the Insert menu, use the / key to create one, or turn a page into a card in the Style menu. Turning blocks into cards or pages works on a per-block basis. So if you select multiple blocks and turn them into a card before grouping them, you can make multiple cards at once. Try breaking down your notes into different sections, using cards to make the most important parts stand out and pages to store supporting information.